Hi my friend, this is Linda. Here I'm in our factory. Today I want to introduce our product for you. And in front of us, this is aluminum melting furnace body. You can see it's very tall, taller than me. And you can see the furnace body is silver, and here inside there is a induction coil. Oh, it's too high. I cannot show you. Okay, here. The induction coil with copper tube, and the furnace is cooling by water cooling. You can see here this is a closed water cooling tower. This is used to cooling the melting furnace body when it's working. And here you can see this kind of melting furnace is for steel melting, steel copper melting. The furnace body is made by aluminum alloy, and the inside also induction coil. It's made by T2 copper tube. The purity is about 99%, 98. And this kind of paint, the pink paint is refractory paint. Also have a isolating function. This furnace is for Philippine customer. This one is also 1-ton induction aluminum melting furnace body, and this one here you can see this one is smaller. This is about 50 kilogram aluminum melting furnace body. And here these tubes are for the water cooling water coming. And this kind of box is extra graphite crucible to install in the melting furnace. You can see here the inside is made by graphite crucible. Okay, if you have any interest in our melting furnace for steel, iron or copper aluminum melting, welcome contact Linda.